morning everyone, my name is Claude Villardo, and for today's vlog we are going to the biggest Rizal Shrine in the Philippines, here in Nueva Vizcaya. Let's check it out. Year 2006. I was in grade school then, and may kalayo ng school ko sa bahay, kaya riding a tricycle would take how many minutes of travel time. Now, along the way, I always see this big white tower on a mountain. Siyempre, as a kid, na-curious ako and pinangarap kong makarating sa lugar na yon someday. Luckily, natupad yun nung high school na ako. Pero kumpara sa itsura niya ngayon, marami nang nagbago.
Ay, ikaw mo ah.
Ay, yun lang.
Nag-video kami.
Ay, sorry pre. Nalito yung kapatid ko sa daan. Sabi pa niya, ay alam niya daw yung daan eh. Sama mo.
Sama mo.
So yan, kadarating pa namin dito sa sa Rizal Shrine ng Casat, Bayombong, Nueva Vizcaya. Walang gustong magpa-interview sa amin, pero pinakita sa amin yung hard copy of the items that you can see in the link on the description below. The link contains mostly photos of place during its early years, or kumbaga sa tao, noong kabataan pa niya. And of course, photos of the man behind the creation of Dr. Rizal Shrine Complex, Mr. Mahmoud A.M. Osfor. I don't know if I pronounced it right. He is a naturalized Filipino citizen, married to a Filipina, and blessed with 3 good children. The swimming pool is obviously no longer operational. Halata naman sa itsura na madumi na yung tubig. According to one of the employees, problema daw nila ang source of water. Yan kita. Yan. May kama sila, tapos may aircon dito. Bari ako. The Rizal Shrine Complex also have their own hotel. Again, no longer operational, but it must have been great before, since paglabas mo ng room, ito ang masisilayan mong view. And kung hindi nyo natatanong, meron din silang massage and beauty parlor, which is hindi namin napapansin noon. Pwede pa naman palang maglaro sa tennis court. Bale, konting linis na lang. Tsaka repaint siguro. Tsaka wala na din yung net. My brother and I have played lawn tennis here once. And okay naman yung court. Ang problema nga lang, madaling mawala yung bola. Since lumulusot yung bola sa wire mesh fence nila. They also have their basketball court, which is surprisingly still in good condition. And of course, they have goats. Unique breed of goats. Now, speaking of goats, kung yung tatay nyo mahilig sa manok, ibahin nyo yung tatay ko. Yung tatay ko mahilig sa goats. May in love si Papa dyan.
Ipakita mo yung papa mo.
Sa pagkahilig niya sa kambing, may post nga siya sa Facebook that he is looking for 1,000 goats. Well, kanya-kanya tayo ng trip. So if you have 1,000 goats, contact my dad. The shrine complex offers a panoramic view of a verdant valley crisscrossed by meandering Magat River and its tributaries.
Pag na-kompleto mo
Ano yan?
Ano?
Aromin. Dapat naiyo ko.
Parang nagkakasara.
Nagtut ka mo ilang pre. Maganda rin dito sa park na to yung paakyat, biking sa mga mahilig magbike, and pwede rin magmotor. Parang yung kasama namin isa, si Nessie, nagmotor sila nun, tapos muntik na disgrasya.
it's hard when you don't get the time.
At the shrine's entrance is a 10-meter high obelisk where the province's history is written on its surface.
Moving forward, always on the go. I hope you take a moment to take it slow. Let me be the one to ease your pain.
Towering over a 6.5-hectare complex on a mountain is an 18.6-feet giant statue of the Philippine national hero, Dr. Rizal, housed in a 3-arc Romanesque concrete structure that stands 3 stories high. The main shrine is surrounded by a fence with 14 7-foot acres that house the busts of some of the Philippines' other heroes.
Know sometimes that it doesn't make sense. It's even harder to comprehend. It's a long life, say goodbye then hello.
Including one of the nation's unsung heroes, which serves as an epitome of goodness and an undying symbol of our persistent quest for new heroes, reverberating the inherent Filipino values and virtues in fighting the ills of our society. It serves as a reminder for all Filipinos to enjoy the fruit of democracy and uphold social justice, and also an inspiration for the youth to value the importance of education, for they are the hope of the future.
Let me be the one to ease your pain.
According to Mr. Mamadas IV, constructing the largest statue of Dr. Rizal in Nueva Vizcaya is his greatest possible gift for the Filipinos, a shrine for Dr. Rizal that would be the biggest of its kind in the world. He envisioned the shrine as a symbol of Filipino unity and hope. Its construction was inspired by his love of the Filipino people and the heroism of those who fought for the Philippine freedom. Again, my name is Elijah Gallardo. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you on my next vlogs. Hanggang baan po si Kuya Allen ay sus malibat bati para dildil daw kaya balayan kayo bari ako. Yun yung pamahiin ng mga tatanda na every pag-alis mo sa isang lugar tawagin mo yung pangalan ng mga tao kasama mo para hindi maiwan yung kaluluwa. Kasi
Tabi-tabi po.
Ilocano version yun ng tabi-tabi po.
Kaya iba kuya, saan mo yung nakuha?
Ano ka naman ito?